Hello everyone, welcome to part 66 of the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Way to Transform Your Life series here that I'm doing. Part 66, Execute Order 66. Whatever you're working with here. 66 parts in, and we have a wonderful principle for you here today. This one, I really like this one, okay? This one I think it is extremely powerful. Now, he says here that you do not need other people to tell you you're a success. You don't need to prove that to anybody. You don't need to be like, oh, I have, all this money, I have all this, like, all these videos, all these essays, all these books, all this, like, back history. You don't have to have that kind of stuff to prove to anybody you're a success, okay? Because you don't actually have to prove to anybody you're a success. All you have to prove is, like, to your own subconscious mind that you're a success. Now, if you're the biggest success in the world, you have the most money, you have the most, like, fame, you got the most everything, but your subconscious mind doesn't think that you're a success, then you'll never feel like a success. If nobody's ever heard of you, nobody ever, pays attention to anything you do, you got nothing kind of thing, but your subconscious mind thinks you're a success, then you're a success, okay? And if you think you're not a success, then you won't be. If you think you are a success, soon enough other people will be shouting your name saying you're a success about all this kind of stuff. And that's really the thing. Once you understand that it really is the inner part, I mean, this part just follows up part 65 so well. Like, he timed these two principles perfectly. This idea that you should have your intuition, you should be guided from within, and you should trust that. You should pay attention to your inner mind, pay attention to the subconscious mind, and see that it shapes your reality. And then, when it thinks you're a success, I mean, like, one thing I do is I like to, he has this idea that you fall asleep. When you fall asleep, you have, your subconscious mind is, like, really close to, like, it's really easily programmed when you're falling asleep. So over my bed, I've hung, like, these signs of, I have one that says official success on it. And I have another one that has my affirmation, every day in every way I am getting better and better. And over time, I'm probably going to hang some more signs there. But every night before I go to sleep and every morning when I wake up, when my subconscious mind is most open to being tuned, I have these signs there to tell me how it is, that I'm a success and that every day in every way I am getting better and better. And that really programs the subconscious mind to be better and better every day, every way, basically. So that can be super effective for programming it. And when you really pay attention to the subconscious mind, when you really work on it, it can really transform your life in almost every way. And it can do it over and over and over again every single day. So that's about all I have to say about part 66. Really a good follow-up to part 65. I will see you guys next time with part 67. 67 parts in, just wow, I'll see you guys next time, so stay tuned.